How to assemble and maintain your vacuum. How to assemble. Align handle with grooves and slide onto cleaner. Attach handle with the 2 screws provided. Push end of hose into lower hose retainer to secure. Install nested wands. Slide through upper retainer hole down to the lower hose retainer. How to operate for best performance. Adjust height to push easily. Maintain brush roll contact on carpet. Engage pedal release. Clear area of large debris. This vacuum is not recommended for hard floor surfaces. Do not use on wet carpet. To use the accessories, lift up and twist to remove the hose. Place accessories onto the end of the hose or wand. Remove wands and attach upper hose to vacuum. Do not attach accessories to lower hose. Attach upper hose to lower hose retainer. Pull latch up to remove dust cup. Twist dust cup lid counterclockwise to remove. Lift filter up and out of dust cup. Dump the debris into waste container. Tap filter against waste container to remove debris. Line up tabs on the dust cup with the openings on lid. Rotate the lid clockwise, applying pressure. Place dust cup back into cleaner. Lock in place. How to maintain filters. Periodically inspect and clean filter for optimal cleaning performance. Wash in running warm water, fanning filter between the pleats. Shake water off filter and place on towel to dry. Check and inspect pre-motor filter. Wash in warm running water to clean. Reinstall when completely dry. Check and inspect filter. Replace twice a year or as needed. To remove filter, push down on latch and pull away from cleaner. Wash in warm running water to clean. Reinstall when completely dry. Press in firmly to snap both sides of the filter cartridge into place. How to replace brush roll and belt. Use release pedal and lower handle to floor. Remove the 3 screws and lift to remove hood. Carpet height must be set in lowest position. Lift end of brush roll to remove the belt. Place the new belt around the brush roll pulley. Align left end cap into base. Push right end cap into base and snap in place. Rotate brush roll 2 full rotations to position belt. Problem solving. Steps to take if the motor will not start. Steps to take if the vacuum cleaner does not clean. Steps to take if there is no suction at the end of hose. How to clear a blockage. Lift up and twist to remove hose. Apply your hand against the hose to check for suction. If there is no suction and filters are clean, upper hose might be clogged. Flex hose to loosen clog. Clean out using coat hanger. Be careful not to puncture hose. Press tabs on upper hose adapter and remove entire hose. Clean out using coat hanger. Be careful not to puncture hose. Check for blockage in lower hose. Clean out using coat hanger. Be careful not to puncture hose. Remove hood and check for blockage in brush roll area. Make sure hose inlet is clear. Clean out using coat hanger. Be careful not to puncture hose. Routine maintenance. General maintenance reminders. Have questions? Call the experts at 1-800-800-8975. Replacement parts. Order replacement parts to maintain the cleaning performance of your vacuum.